Shift start. Check ore grade today.
The journey of every iPhone begins deep in the earth with rare earth elements essential for magnets and displays.
Mined ore rich in rare earths is transported for initial separation to supply iPhone components.
Heavy load, straight to crusher line.
Grind cycle running, fineness on target.
Crushing and grinding liberate rare earth minerals for iPhone speakers and vibration motors.
pH stable, extraction good today. Narrator chemical leaching extracts pure rare earth oxides vital for iPhone technology.
Cake thickness good, high purity batch.
Precipitation yields high-purity rare earths ready for iPhone magnet and display production. Seal tight. Shipment to refiners next. Packaged rare earths begin global journey to become key parts in every iPhone.
Pure vein here. Load for polysilicon.
Feed steady.
Arc furnace ready.
Narrator.
Crushed quartz enters high-temperature processing to produce polysilicon for iPhone chips.
Rod diameter on spec. Harvest in 72 hours.
Quality pass, off to wafer slicing.
Pure silicon rods are prepared for wafer production that forms the brain of every iPhone.
Rods secure, keep cool all the way to wafer slicing.
Purified silicon rods begin their journey to wafer fabs that supply iPhone processors.
Last pallet in, manifest checked for iPhone line.
High-value iPhone components travel by air to minimize time and risk.
Components arrive at Zhengzhou, gateway to the world's largest iPhone assembly facility.
All cleared, direct to Foxconn line.
Swift customs clearance sends iPhone parts straight to the assembly mega plant.
ETA 20 minutes. Priority iPhone batch.
The final leg brings iPhone components to the heart of production.
Cleared. Dock 7 for iPhone line.
Tight security protects the flow of parts for every iPhone built here.
iPhone batch here. Let's get it inside clean.
Unloading begins the integration of global components into iPhone assembly.
Dust count low. Good entry.
Air showers maintain the ultra-clean environment required for iPhone production.
Displays look pristine. No scratches. Batch accepted.
Flow steady.
Subassembly ready.
Narrator. Conveyors distribute iPhone components to begin the transformation into finished devices.
This colossal facility assembles millions of iPhones every year, the beating heart of global smartphone production.
Clear. Next, please.
Strict security and contamination controls protect iPhone assembly integrity. Suit feels tight today? New batch?
Better seal for dust control.
Transformed into protected operators, they enter the ultra-clean world of iPhone production.
Today's target. Front camera modules first?
Yes, then full chassis assembly.
The corridor leads to where raw components become complete iPhones.
Here in the main hall, iPhone assembly lines run 24/7 with synchronized precision.
Yield holding strong, ready for component feed. Speaker _B, symbol placeholder. Real-time monitoring.
Chassis aligned, feed steady. Narrator, automated feeding introduces iPhone chassis to begin the core assembly sequence. Surface mount technology populates iPhone boards with thousands of microscopic components.
Reflow profile set, solder joints forming clean.
Reflow soldering bonds components permanently to create the functional heart of every iPhone.
Board out clean, flux looks minimal.
Fresh from reflow, iPhone motherboards emerge ready for cleaning and verification.
Wash cycle complete, no residue left.
Aqueous cleaning removes all flux contaminants to ensure reliable iPhone circuitry.
Plasma cycle 60 seconds. Surface energy up. Plasma activation prepares iPhone boards for perfect bonding of subsequent layers.
All joints good. Yield 99.2% on this batch. High-speed AOI scans every iPhone board for microscopic defects in seconds.
Bridge on pin 47. Send to rework bay.
Automated sorting routes perfect iPhone boards ahead while defects go for correction.
Precision rework salvages iPhone boards to maintain high production yield. Kitting organizes thousands of parts to feed iPhone assembly lines efficiently.
Battery at 4,350 mAh. Good health.
Pre-charging and testing ensures every iPhone battery meets safety and performance specs. No defects. Displays cleared for assembly. Final cleaning and visual checks prepare iPhone displays for flawless integration.
All lines merged, ready for chassis build.
Synchronized merging brings iPhone components together for the core assembly transformation.
Frame aligned. Locking pins ready.
The precision-machined iPhone chassis frame is united with the motherboard in perfect alignment. High-speed automated screwing locks the iPhone structure with consistent strength.
Battery seated, no bubbles, adhesion good.
Adhesive bonding installs the high-capacity iPhone battery with vibration resistance.
Camera locked, lens alignment perfect.
Narrator.
Advanced camera systems are ultrasonically secured into every iPhone chassis. Face ID module in, sensor alignment checked.
The sophisticated front-facing sensors enable secure Face ID on iPhone.
Haptic and speakers seated, vibration tuned.
Haptic feedback and audio drivers are integrated for immersive iPhone experience.
All ZFs locked, no bent pins. Narrator. Delicate flex cables link modules to the iPhone logic board with zero tolerance for error.
Coil centered, MagSafe ready.
The wireless charging coil is precisely laminated for seamless iPhone charging. Buttons seated. Click feel perfect. NAR tactile side controls are assembled for responsive iPhone interaction.
Final cleaning readies the iPhone chassis for the critical display integration step.
Alignment within 0.02 millimeters. Ready for lamination.
Laser-guided precision aligns the iPhone OLED display for seamless integration.
Vacuum at -90 kPa. Lamination cycle, 45 seconds.
Seal bead uniform, no gaps.
Edge adhesive creates a waterproof barrier around the iPhone display perimeter.
Cure complete. Seal strength tested.
Rapid UV curing solidifies the iPhone's edge seal for durability and water resistance. Boot successful. No kernel panic.
First power on verifies the iPhone's core electronics awaken correctly.
Touch linearity 100%. Display calibrated.
Narrator.
Automated calibration ensures flawless touch and color accuracy on every iPhone.
Back glass aligned. Flush fit confirmed.
The iconic iPhone glass back is precisely bonded to complete the enclosure.
Weld cycle done. Hermetic seal achieved.
Ultrasonic welding creates a strong, seamless bond for iPhone structural integrity. Leak testing confirms iPhone's water and dust resistance rating. Surfaces pristine, no contaminants.
Final cleaning prepares the transformed iPhone for advanced automation and finishing processes.
Advanced vision systems inspect every iPhone for micron-level precision in assembly.
All screws hold spec, no back out. Robotic torque verification ensures iPhone fasteners remain secure under stress.
Marking depth 0.02 millimeters, crisp and permanent.
Laser etching permanently identifies each iPhone for traceability and authenticity.
RFID encoded, traceable from here. RFID and barcode systems enable full digital tracking throughout iPhone production.
Robotic audio and haptic testing confirms immersive sound and feel on iPhone.
High-tech rigs calibrate iPhone cameras and sensors for professional-grade performance. All lenses calibrated. Color accuracy delta E less than 1. 15-watt wireless charge detected. NFC read/write good.
Batch 472 routed to a high-speed test. Yield 99.4%.
Robotic shock testing simulates real-world drops to prove iPhone durability.
G-force within limits. No cosmetic or functional damage.
Cosmetic pass, ready for final packaging line.
High-tech scanning gives final cosmetic approval before iPhone enters packaging.
Line flow steady, starting retail pack sequence.
The precision packaging lines transform finished iPhones into premium retail products.
iPhone centered, no shift.
The iPhone is gently nestled into its protective molded tray for safe transport.
Lid secure, tamper evident. The iconic iPhone retail box is closed with precision for a luxurious first impression.
Film tight, no wrinkles.
Security tape and shrink wrap protect iPhone boxes during global distribution.
Label legible. Serial sync to database. Box flawless. Ready for pallet.
Meticulous final inspection ensures every iPhone box meets retail perfection standards. Sleeve fitted, variant correct.
Layer 1 stable, continue build.
Robotic palletizing organizes iPhone boxes into secure, shippable units.
Wrap tight. Pallet secure for warehouse.
Final stretch wrap and strapping prepare iPhone pallets for safe storage and dispatch.
Sampling 1% per batch, starting with top layer.
Random sampling from every iPhone pallet initiates the final quality assurance protocol.
No micro scratches. Cosmetic A grade.
Detailed visual audit confirms the pristine condition of sampled iPhones.
All sensors green, functionality unchanged. Retesting verifies that shipping stress has not affected iPhone performance.
Cycle 5 complete, no thermal shock damage.
Thermal cycling tests iPhone resilience across extreme temperature ranges.
96-hour soak. No oxidation visible.
Drop testing simulates real-world accidents to validate iPhone durability.
Button actuation force 2.8 meters, consistent. Force testing confirms tactile feel and connector longevity on every iPhone. RoHS compliant. No restricted substances.
Spectroscopic analysis guarantees iPhone materials meet global safety standards.
Batch 472 cleared. Full QC pass.
Quality assured iPhone pallets now transition to secure warehouse storage before global dispatch.
Pallet A17 secured. Inventory updated. Quality approved iPhone pallets are stored systematically in the high bay warehouse.
Batch 472 logged, ready for order fulfillment.
Digital scanning ensures accurate tracking of every iPhone pallet in storage.
Wrap tight, labels good, ready for container.
Final dock inspection confirms iPhone pallets are dispatch ready.
First row secure, next pallet coming.
iPhone pallets are carefully loaded into climate-controlled containers for safe transit. Container sealed, manifest complete.
Narrator.
Sealed containers of iPhones begin their journey to customers worldwide.
From Zhengzhou to the world, iPhones leave the factory ready for retail shelves.
And this is how modern factories produce iPhone from start to finish.
Thank you for watching the journey of iPhone.